Okay.
Okay, this is my 870 TB Remington. Bought it in late August of 1967. Fired the first shell through it on September 9th, 1967. I have now run 99,999 shells through this gun. Oh, 40, what would that be? Oh, 33, 40, 45, a little over 45 years old. And it still looks pretty good. So, I made up some special shells here, or special targets here. Kind of filled them with chalk line dust. Blue, red, and black. Then I got this big honking thing. It's got all three in it. I don't know how well these are going to go, but I'm going to try for the 100,000th round with one of these and see what happens. Replaced a few parts on this gun, and it's been a great gun so far. Oh, and by the way, I'm known on the Hulu forum as CDB1097. So I'm going to post this on the Hulu forum and the Remington forum. And as you can see, over the years, I bought other barrels for it. Slug barrel. This is the original barrel that came with the gun. Full choke fixed. An improved cylinder barrel. All you old guys know this is how you used to change chokes. You'd have to get another barrel. This is a 30-inch rim choke barrel. I bought it so when they outlaw lead, I'll still be able to shoot it. So for this shot, I am going to use the original barrel. I'm going to take the rim choke barrel off. And I'm going to put the original full choke barrel that came with the gun. So we will see what happens. How many do you think I'm going to miss? Voila! 100,000. Right here. So there you have it. 100,000 shells through a Remington 870 TB. 45 years to get there. But we made it. Kind of anticlimactic, wasn't it? Okay, that's it. Bye.